What's up, guys? It's your boy back with another video, and in this video we are gonna do the exhaust, try to get it back looking good. As you can tell from that first part of the video, that's what it looked like in the beginning, but we're gonna see what we can do about getting this thing back together and throw some paint on it to make it look brand new, or at least close to brand new. I really just want to try this out. I haven't done it before, so I really want to just try it out and try to get this thing back to the way it was. So you guys enjoy this part 2 of the bus restoration, and thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, peace. As you can tell here, this is what we got as the finished product. I could have probably done a little bit better, but if you were to take a look back at the beginning, you could see this is a whole lot better than it was. So I'm happy with this, and after we get this thing painted, it'll look better than it was, and that's all I'm shooting for. It's better than we started, and I think we've done a pretty good job. You guys let me know how it turned out. I think it looks pretty good myself. I did do an extra few coats of paint, and this is the high heat paint. So you guys let me know how it turned out in the comments, and thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, peace.